Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for an Australian passport. This is helpful because it gives you a clear checklist of what you need to prepare so that you don't miss on anything and you can lodge your application smoothly, whether it's for your first passport or a renewal. So first, make sure that you're eligible. You must be an Australian citizen and you'll need proof like a birth certificate or citizenship certificate. And next, gather your documents, including your identity documents, proof of your current address, and recent passport photos. Then fill out the application online, complete the form, and print it out, but don't sign it yet. So after that, get your passport photos taken and make sure that they meet the strict requirements for clarity and background, with no glasses, a neutral expression, and a light background. So if you're applying for the first time or you're a minor, you also need a guarantor who is 18 or older and has known you for at least a year and holds a valid Australian passport. And when you're ready, lodge your application at Australia Post or a passport office and bring your unsigned form, photos, documents, and payment. And remember, you need to sign the form in front of the passport officer and make sure you pay the fee and double check the official website for the latest fees before you go. So after you lodge it, you can track your application and processing can take up to 6 weeks with SMS updates and an option for priority service if you need it. So once it's approved, your new Australian passport will arrive by registered post. So thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and safe travels.